Loans from commercial banks. Commercial banks are basically established to provide funding for short-term requirements of the business units. So their objective is to provide funding for short-term requirements, but banks also provide funding for long-term requirements of business units. So this is what we are going to see in this session: loan from commercial banks from long-term requirements. The long-term requirements would be basically a long-term loan which may be for setting up a unit, or it may be for expansion, it may be for modernization, and the list goes on. So while providing long-term loans, they provide generally for a longer period, say 5 to 10 years, and providing long-term loans requires a specific kind of appraisal because there is a severe risk element involved in cases where long-term loans are given, because the repayment of long-term loans depends upon the future earnings or depends upon the anticipated income of the customer. So anticipated income of the customer can undergo any kind of fluctuation depending upon the various factors. It can be political, economical, technical, marketing, whatever, but there are various factors in the name of risk. So appraisal for long-term loans have to be different, and that system should stabilize more in our country. So this is about long-term loan. So the long-term loan, through the name says it is long-term in nature and it sounds like a long-term one. There is another facility which is given by the banks in the name of short-term loan or short-term resources in the name of working capital, that is CC or OD, is actually more permanent nowadays. The reason is this facility is given as renewable every year. This facility is given as renewable every year, and what happens is every year this facility is renewed and it is enhanced. So if you take a small chart, the working capital facility will increase year after year and it would never come down if the business keeps on growing and if interest are serviced. But if you look at the term loan, it will keep on be coming down year after year, and at a point it will get closed. So term loan, though they are long-term loan, they come down and they get closed, whereas working capital facilities, basically the CC or OD, will get increased year after year. So this is more of permanent, and this is coming down to, it is called as long-term loan. So what happens here is that here there is no credit term for the CC or OD. They are given as renewable year after year. Since it is given as renewable year after year, it lacks credit discipline. So if it is given for a credit term or for a particular period, then it will inculcate discipline for both the bank as well as for the borrowers, but that is absent now. In foreign countries, the CC or OD kind of facilities are given only for a credit term, maybe say for 60 days or 90 days, upon which the customer should repay, and if required they should avail fresh. That system would inculcate the customer to plan cash flows in such a way the borrowings are closed. So their cash flows are given importance, but with this kind of arrangement the funds get locked in CC and it is not coming back at all. So that is about the working capital and long-term loans. And we have something called bridge finance. Bridge finance is basically a loan from a commercial bank. It's basically a loan from commercial bank to fill the gap between the long-term loan which was sanctioned but not yet disbursed. So a long-term loan has been sanctioned, or it is likely to be sanctioned. It is in the final stages of sanction. The sanction is ensured, but the sanction and disbursement would take time. So till such time, the project which is being implemented should not suffer for want of funds. So till that period, till the loan is disbursed, a commercial bank would give a loan in the name of bridge finance. So this bridge finance is generally given for a short period, say up to 12 months or up to the loan is disbursed, and this loan is closed out of term loan drawal. So once term loan is drawn, this bridge loan will be closed, and this loan will be generally issued against security of demand promissory note, then against guarantee of directors, then against security of movable assets.